Welcome back to the Home Stretch, the podcast where real estate meets real talk. I'm your host, Nina Soden, associate broker and realtor here in North Alabama. And with me is my co-host and always insightful Kat Frisby from Victorian Finance.
Hey everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that doesn't always get the spotlight it deserves, but it can make a huge difference in your transaction. How to prep your home for a smooth appraisal.
Exactly. The appraisal could feel like a make or break moment in the selling process. Buyers often don't realize this, but the appraisal protects both them and the lender. And for sellers, it's the step that validates your asking price.
Let's start with the basics. An appraisal is an unbiased, professional estimate of a home's value. It's ordered by the lender but paid for by the buyer in most cases. The appraiser looks at comparables in the area, the condition of the home, and any upgrades or unique features.
And here's the thing. It's not the same as a home inspection. An inspector looks for issues. An appraiser looks at value. So sellers shouldn't panic, but they should be prepared.
Preparation can actually impact how smooth the process goes. While you can't control the comps, you can control how your home presents itself. Think of it like a job interview. First impressions count.
Yes. A clean, well-maintained home sends a signal to the appraiser that the property has been cared for, which can support a stronger valuation.
All right, let's get into some practical steps homeowners can take before appraisal day.
Number 1, curb appeal matters. Make sure your yard is tidy. Grass is cut, leaves raked, and if possible, touch up paint on doors or trim. You don't need to full landscape overhaul, but the little things make a big difference.
Number 2, declutter and clean. The appraiser isn't judging your housekeeping, but clutter can make spaces look smaller and less functional. A clean home shows pride of ownership.
Number 3, tackle minor repairs. Fix that leaky faucet, replace burnt out light bulbs, patch small holes in walls. These little things can add up in an appraiser's mind.
Number 4, highlight upgrades. If you've replaced the roof, added energy efficient windows, or updated your HVAC, have the documentation ready. Appraisers don't automatically know what's new unless you show them.
And finally, make the home accessible. Unlock gates, open doors to basements or attics, and ensure pets are secure. You don't want the appraiser missing parts of your home.
Now let's talk about setting expectations. Even with the perfect prep, sometimes the appraisal doesn't come in where everyone hopes.
That is so true. And it doesn't always mean the deal is dead. There are options. Buyers and sellers can negotiate, request a reconsideration of value, or in some cases, the buyer can bring additional funds.
The key takeaway, don't panic. Preparation reduces stress, but remember this is just one step in the bigger journey to closing.
So, quick recap for sellers. Prep for appraisal day by boosting curb appeal, decluttering and cleaning, handling small repairs, documenting upgrades, and making your home fully accessible.
And for buyers, remember the appraisal protects you too. It helps ensure you're not overpaying for the property.
That wraps up today's episode of The Home Stretch. We hope these tips make your appraisal process smoother and less stressful.
If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe, leave us a review, and share the podcast with someone who's getting ready to buy or sell.
And if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover, reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm Nina Soden.
And I'm Kat Frisby. Thanks for joining us on Home Stretch.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.